Hi guys, I am here with DJ Francis, my friend from Dominican Republic. We are here at Pennsylvania. We're gonna do the Lake Border Trail in Bernville. As you can see, it's all around the lake. So we're gonna have so much fun today. It's probably gonna be muddy because it's been raining a lot. And by the way, my friend's riding my bike. I'm riding Julie's bike. She lent it to me. So my friend can have this bike. I mean my bike. The Hurricane Ida did not mess the whole thing. Yeah, I saw it. What the? You saw that thing? I don't know, like a squirrel, navilla. Water. Vamos a ver qué es esto. Vamos a ver que está limpia el agua, está limpia. This is a real adventure. I fly the team, bro. What?
Oh my God!
The bridge is like slippery.
Espera, be careful.
Oh guys, I'm okay. It's just the bridge is kind of slippery. And we're gonna be back on the trail again, hopefully. I'll be careful with the cliff. I'm so scared. Woo. Woo. Yeah, boy. Oh no. Damn. Is it here? Oh, be careful with the bridge. Straight, straight, straight. Woo!
Hey.
Are you okay? Yo, you gotta respond me. I told you before. That's fast.
Oh my
Why it was
God.
fast.
Oh my
Fast
God.
and furious.
¿Cuánto intento de caída?
This is a Diamondback, 80 millimeters of travel on the front, mechanical brakes, and now dropper post, 2x9, and it's holding like a boss. Yeah, my respect for this.
Yeah.
You're doing very great. I'm proud of you, my friend. My pedal got stuck in there. No. Yo, I'm not gonna risk it. Oh my God, this is slippery. Yo, I did that drop. I don't know. Thanks. Ten cuidado con las rosas. Slippery, muddy, slippery. This is dangerous, man. Oh my God. Woo. Woo. Oh my God. We survived, bro.
Oh yeah.
We survived, bro. Yo, we survived the trail. Yo, we gotta get checked out, man.
Oh my God.
Let's see.
Ayuda fine.
Let's see. Oh, I'm happy now. Oh, yo. Nice. I got you. Yo, this ride was scary as hell. At some point, we thought we were gonna die.
The final, my people, my people.
My people. So we are in one piece. We're just gonna check for ticks and stuff. And just be careful, stay safe, and peace. See you in the next video.